Changing your primary email on your Grow Financial Credit Union account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Grow Financial Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Locate email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email address will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.